What if I told you that you could start making money online today without spending a single penny on expensive tools? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to reveal the ultimate free AI tools that can help you kickstart your online income journey. These tools are game changers. They'll save you time, boost your creativity, and make you look like a pro even if you're just starting out. So, stop scrolling and get ready, because this is the only guide you'll ever need to start earning with AI. Let's dive in. Create like a pro with these free tools. ChatGPT free plan. How it helps. Use it to write blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even scripts for YouTube videos. Break down large topics into smaller, searchable ones for better engagement. Canva free plan. How it helps. Design stunning graphics, YouTube thumbnails, or Instagram posts. Use Canva's free templates and customize them with your brand colors and fonts. Grammarly free. How it helps. Improve the quality of your writing, fix grammar mistakes, and ensure your content is professional. Use Grammarly's tone detector to ensure your content matches your audience's expectations. Level up your video content without spending a dime. Runway AI free tier. How it helps. AI-powered video editing, background removal, and generating visuals. Use it to quickly remove backgrounds from your videos or add cinematic effects. CapCut. How it helps. Simple and powerful video editing app for desktop and mobile. Add captions to your videos automatically using the auto caption feature. Get your content noticed with these powerful marketing tools. SEMrush free tools. How it helps. Research keywords, analyze competitors, and optimize your content for SEO. Use long-tail keywords to target specific audiences with less competition. Buffer free tier. How it helps. Schedule social media posts and track performance. Plan a month's worth of posts in one sitting for consistent engagement. Streamline your business and focus on what matters most. Trello free. How it helps. Organize your projects and keep track of deadlines. Create a board with tasks for each stage of your content creation process. Wave apps free. How it helps. Invoice clients, track expenses, and manage your finances. Send professional invoices to clients for free. Pexels. How it helps. Access high-quality stock photos and videos for free. Use relevant visuals to make your blog posts or videos more engaging. How to use these tools together for maximum results. Now that we've gone through the top free AI tools, let's put them into action. Imagine you're starting a blog. You use ChatGPT to generate ideas, Grammarly to polish your content, and Canva to create eye-catching visuals. Then, you use SEMrush to optimize your blog for SEO, and finally, You schedule your social media promotions with Buffer. This workflow saves you time, looks professional, and costs you nothing. That's the power of free AI tools. Still watching? That's because you're serious about making a change. But here's the thing. Tools alone won't make you successful. You need to take action. Start today by choosing just one tool and mastering it. Want to dive deeper? Subscribe to this channel because my next video will reveal exactly how to create a money-making machine using AI. Don't miss it. Your journey starts here.